This video, I'm going to be covering the debugging algorithms part of this assignment. Remember, debugging just means finding errors in your algorithm or code and correcting them. So we are going to be using the same symbols as we did on our previous assignment. The move right, the move left, the move up, the move down, and then the fill in square with color. So the difference is with this assignment, you already have an algorithm written down below for you that supposedly will create this pattern. However, there is a bug in the algorithm and you have to find it. So first thing you want to do is try to follow the code below. So up in the top left-hand corner is where you're going to start, and then just read left to right and follow the code with your cursor. So color in, move right, move down, color in, move right, move down. So right there, we don't want to move down, we want to color in. So grab our color in symbol, copy it, paste it. Instead of moving down, we want to fill in at that point. So now let's go back through the algorithm with this new portion of the code that we just put in. So scribble in, move over, move down, scribble in, move over. Now we're going to scribble in, move over, move up, scribble in. We've just corrected that algorithm. So now it will make this pattern. It had one bug in it, which was this go down arrow symbol here. So you're going to continue to do that with all the rest of these patterns. If you end up creating the pattern with fewer symbols, meaning that you don't need to use all the symbols that were originally used. For instance, on this slide, if we don't need these last two symbols, get a shape here, use your shape tool, and then just cover them up. Because if we don't cover them up and the program sees those symbols and wants to execute those symbols, your pattern will be wrong. It will be creating another filled in square, which we don't want or need. So if that is the case, if you find yourself writing a new algorithm that's shorter than the original, make sure you cover up the unwanted symbols. Once you're done with all these different patterns, you're going to go on to slide 21, which is a code.org activity called Debugging with Scratch. Make sure you click Scrat here and click on the link. And remember, I want to make sure to see all of these circles up here filled in green, meaning that you've completed each and every board. Once you've done that, give me a screenshot here on slide 22. Slide 23, remember you're giving me an overview of what you learned from this activity, this assignment. Make sure you're giving me at least 3 complete sentences or you will have points taken off. And then finally, click the start button here and go to your Google form review for debugging. Once you've done that, you are done with this assignment.